Ford Anglia Panel truck. Here's two of them. 2011. Factory seal, of course. That's big. That's the way I like it, man. That's the way we like it here in Hot Wheel land. I like this color better than the other one. Here's just two of them. That's all. That's all what it is. Okay. Alrighty. We're all set. We'll stop it at 1 minute. Maybe a little less. Okay. I think I need to put a muzzle on my mouth. I talk too much and I never shut up. If you don't like it, I'm sorry, but that's just the way it goes. See you later, friends.